everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2 smoothies that I drink every single day, and they are just filled with so many vitamins and minerals and just so many nutrients. And I always have these smoothies every single morning, and it gives me a kickstart to my day. I feel amazing, and I just really want to share it with you. All right, so we are in my kitchen and we are getting ready to make our smoothies. I am just super excited because these smoothies have been a life changer. When I say a life changer, I mean, you know, just my workouts have been better. I used to drink a lot of pre-workout back in the day. And let me tell you, sis or bro, all of those pre-workouts, like powder packs and things that you get on Amazon or in the store, they are literally filled with so many chemicals and natural flavoring, which if you know anything about labels, that's not that natural. So I thought that, you know, normally people take pre-workout to get energy and all the vitamins that they need before they, you know, start sweating their butt off. So why not just get that from the food itself? It is a little more expensive, but at the end of the day, if you really want something, you will make it work. So these are all of the ingredients that I will be using today in my 2 smoothies. And quick side note, I am missing a kiwi. They didn't have any more at the store. So we are working with what we have, but it looks pretty good. All right, so the first thing that we have right here is baby spinach. And as you might know, that greens in their baby or infant stages hold on to the most amount of nutrients. So super healthy, just something really little you can do instead of getting normal spinach, get baby spinach or kale. And then we have our fruits here, our berries. We have blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. And then over here, we do have a couple powders that I add. So this right here is maca root powder. If you like peanut butter or like a nutty sweet taste, this is phenomenal. It's really good for women's hormones. It's honestly helped me so much just with life, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I love adding that to my smoothies. Obviously here we have flax seeds, which is great in omega-3s, and of course has protein. And you know me, anytime I can try to squeeze some protein into my meals, I always try to do that. Here we have organic tart cherry juice powder, which is really high in antioxidants. And I try to get most of my fruit and veggies fresh, but unfortunately the cherries here are just not that great. So I did order this from Amazon. Here we have ground chia seeds, same, really high in fiber and does hold on to a good amount of protein. I'm just curious. I think, yeah, 2 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons. So, you know, anytime I can sneak it in. Here we have beetroot powder. I did actually start getting really good beetroots this summer, so I did start using beets, but I just ran out, so I'm going back to my powder. And then we have coconut water, which always tastes super yummy. And then we have an organic banana. We have an inch of ginger, about 1.5 inches of fresh ginger. And for my herbs, I have mint. Now I do grow my own mint, but I don't have that with me today, so we are using this. We have an organic apple. We do have lime. Lime I love. I think it just makes everything so fresh and tastes very tropical and yummy. And then here I have my container of green spirulina powder. Don't be taken back if you buy spirulina and it tastes fishy. Spirulina is a type of algae, so it does have a fishy smell, but I promise once you put it in your smoothie, you won't even taste the fishy smell. And then of course we just have water, you know, to make sure everything blends well within our smoothie. And yeah, awesome, let's get started. And here it is. Oh, I'm so excited. My first smoothie of the day. Super high in antioxidants, and honestly, it just tastes like summer. If you love mint and ginger, that flavor really comes through, and it just tastes so refreshing. I know most people sip their smoothie throughout the morning. I kind of just drink mine all at once because I love it that much, and it's so refreshing. So cheers. On to the second one. Smoothie number 2 is done. It's like kind of like a dull red color, but it's because of the beetroot that we put in. Otherwise, normally it would be a bright green color from the spinach, but oh my God, I'm so excited to have this, and let's give it a try. You know what makes this smoothie? It's the maca root powder. It gives it like that nutty, buttery taste. Like if you've ever had a smoothie with like banana, spinach, peanut butter, and it tastes super creamy and sweet, that's what this tastes like. That's really good. So that, I think, is a really great way to start off your morning because it's literally filled with so many vitamins and antioxidants, and it's a perfect pre-workout if you work out in the morning. Or if you don't work out in the morning, it's a great way to just focus. When you just flood your body with amazing nutrients, you know, after your body's been fasting for 8 or 9 hours, you know, when you're sleeping, it's the best time to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the recipes or you're going to try them out yourself and maybe switch out your whole routine where you have a smoothie every single morning like myself, please let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing when people switch out, you know, maybe an unhealthier option for a healthier option, and it's a great way to get all of your fruits in just one sitting. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.